How to use YouTube Studio on mobile. With the YouTube Studio app, you can easily track your performance, respond to comments, and optimize your content right from your phone. In this guide, I'll show you how to use YouTube Studio on mobile device. First, if you haven't already, download the YouTube Studio app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account to access your channel. When you log in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can see a quick overview of your channel's performance. Here you can check your latest video views, watch time, and subscriber count. This is the perfect place to get a snapshot of how your channel is going. To dive deeper into your channel's performance, tap on the Analytics tab. Here you can view detailed metrics like real-time views, top performing videos, audience demographics, and more. Use this data to understand what's working and where you can improve. Next, head over to the Videos tab where you can manage all of your uploads. From here, you can edit video details like titles, descriptions, and tags, or even schedule or delete videos if needed. Engaging with your audience is key. Tap on the Comments tab to view and respond to comments on your videos. You can reply, like, or even pin comments to the conversation going and build a community around your channel. And that's how you can use YouTube Studio on a mobile device. With these features at your fingertips, you can effectively manage your channel from anywhere. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.